Hey guys, it's your girl Phoenix. I am back again. I mentioned before when I did my initial review on this Ali Pearl wig, it was 22 inches initially, and I told you guys once the ends got too raggedy I was going to cut it into a bob. So that's exactly what I did. I did an asymmetrical bob, and I think it came out really cute, you guys. Like, I am really loving this look. So I'm gonna include a clip in here somewhere. A clip in here somewhere for you. Some basic hair cutting shears. And these are 6-inch shears, 6.5-inch shears, something like that. Not too long or major. And I'm also using thinning shears. Now these are a little different. They have cones on one end and then a flat blade on the other. And so what these are designed to do is not take a huge chunk of hair out. It kind of just sift through and only cut some of the hair that you choose out of that section. You can see everything. And I'm literally just going around at an angle to shape this. So as you can see, my scissors are definitely at an angle. And then I'm going to put a little shape to this. Alright, so cutting this hair. So it started off as 22 inches. I would say this side is around 10. This side comes around to about 13 or 14 inches. So if you wanted to emulate this style, I would say just get a 14-inch wig and go ahead and cut it. So I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the asymmetricalness of the situation here. And then I'll turn around to the other side. So what I wound up having to do after I cut the bulk of the hair is I wound up having to go in with some thinning shears and thin out the back of the wig. The frontal is very thin. If you really look, you can see where it ends right here. And that's all across the board. It ends right there in the middle too, which is why I haven't really been doing a middle part. I just don't think it looks good on me with this particular hair. But I did cut it to where if I did a middle part, it would be even on both sides. And I think this is just going to be so fun for the summertime, like just not having any hair on my neck, but still a super cool color. Now that I'm disabled, like I am really into colors. Alright, so we got our asymmetrical unit. And instead the hair is still very soft. I have to give that to Ali Pearl. Like, it's very good quality hair. I will give them that. I don't have a problem with the quality of the hair. I have a problem with the quality of the wig. So, two very different animals. So, this spray bottle just has some water and a little bit of leave-in conditioner. I don't even remember what kind of leave-in conditioner it is, to be honest, because I have so many. But, realistically, you can use any one you want to. It's done. I just will set it with this mousse. All I got is on that baker's rack. Okay, I got the mousse.
Just have me say, oh yeah, that's nice. You keep that for me.
I will. I said it was nice. You didn't say it was nice. You're a hating, lying ass bitch. That's what you are.
I was like, that's the truth.
Oh yeah, I think once I fluff this out, this came out good too. Alright, y'all, asymmetrical bob. Here we go. There it is. All this hair, and
Oh my god.
a lot of this was shedding hair that was just coming out. Like, terrible. This wig went from a 22 to what? A 10?
Yeah.
Here is all the hair that I bend out of this wig. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Do your girl.
You don't sound like you want them to subscribe. This is how you say it. Comment, like, subscribe, y'all.
What she said. Comment, like, subscribe. You should see her body. Look, put your body in front of the camera and do it. But yeah, y'all, the frontal was like stupid thin in comparison to the back. Like once I cut it, because the only part that was really thin was like those ends that look like a cat just all the way down those ends. So when I went to cut this wig, I found out what the main problem was: shoddy craftsmanship. So they had a couple of weeks to make this wig, and I don't know if somebody forgot, if they got behind on orders or anything, but I noticed like once I emailed them and said, hey, what's up with the wig, then like 24 hours later they mailed out the wig. But I found like so many hanging threads. Like they weren't loose, they were connected. So it would be like, you know, you would have your weft, and then they would be like a hanging loop of thread just chilling out in the weft somewhere. So obviously when you go to brush, it's getting caught. Like the hair is tangling around that, string. And when you go to brush it, it's just tangling and tangling around that. So that's why I had so much hair shedding out of this wig. And don't get it twisted, it still sheds like a synthetic wig, but it's not as bad once I went through. Like I literally had to take a fine-tooth comb and comb against the wefts till I found the strings and then clip them. And once I did that, like it didn't shed nearly as much as it was shedding. So I would say if you decide to buy this unit, because like I said, the hair itself is beautiful. The craftsmanship on this wig is no, not for almost $300. No, you got the wrong one. I do not have coins to be replacing these units. So when I have the money, I buy quite a few, and then I do stuff like this. I remix them up. You know, if I need a bob and I have an old, longer wig, cut it up to a bob, or cut it to, you know, 16 inches or whatever I want the style to be. So I'm gonna get use out of this wig regardless, okay? Like that's just the kind of chick I am. I'm not wasting my coins when I can prevent it. This, I would say if somebody had been real with me about it, I wouldn't have ordered it. Because you see everybody online, you know, and they do their styles, and most of these chicks are only wearing these wigs to do these videos, and then they take them off because they have like a million other wigs to wear. No, I don't have that luxury. So if I'm gonna spend almost $300 on a wig, I'm expecting it to have some long-term value. I don't feel like this has long-term value. I mean, now that it's this bob, I feel like I can make it definitely last a little bit longer. But based on the cheap parting space of this wig, I know that once it goes to shed up in the frontal area, it's donezo. Like it's donezo. Once this starts to thin out too much over here, and I can't do nothing with it but flip it to the other side, and then that side get ugly, you don't have much to look forward to. So can you buy this wig, turn it into something amazing, make it look good? Yes, but that will be off of your talent, not because the company came out with a bomb wig. Those are two different things. What I can do with something because I refuse to look a mess when I leave the house is not the same as, oh, I just throw this on and I look everything. No, I had to put in time, work, effort to make this look like this. This was not like, oh, I took it out of the box and this is what I got. So that's why they're not getting a high rating from me. And it really does pay me because like I said before, I love me some AliExpress. I loved me some Ali Pearl. And I've noticed over the years their prices have just been going up. It's not even subtle anymore. It's like, it is what it is. Like, I went to order a 6x6 closure wig. Like, okay, let me just try one of these closures. I'm not a huge fan of the closures in general. I feel like either you're gonna do it or you're not gonna do it. But the closure is kind of funky. It's like an in-between. So I was gonna buy it and I'm like, well, for what I would pay for a 6x6 closure wig, I can go to another company that I know for a fact will give me some longevity and get a 13x6 wig. So I don't mind spending the money, which y'all already know, evident by my 4 or 5 wigs from VIP, and I spent no less than $250 and upward for every last one of those wigs. I don't have a problem spending money. I do have a problem wasting money on a product that don't deserve my money. I feel like the shoddy craftsmanship of this particular wig, now, they might have improved it. I don't know. I just know when I purchased this unit, it was very shoddily done. Even now, it still sheds. It's still gonna shed on you. Luckily, I'm not, like, you can literally just run your fingers through it and pull this hair out. So I'm not just making up stories None of these companies sponsor me, okay? I'm a regular chick like anybody else, okay? My little 26, 27 subscribers ain't giving me no street clout. I appreciate y'all. Thank you. Not trying to down you guys at all. I'm just stating the fact that, you know, I don't have no reason to be slanderous. It is what it is. You know what I mean? I'm sure the company's not worried about me at this point, but just let it be known that somebody's gonna put it out there. If don't nobody else put it out there, somebody's gonna put it out there that the craftsmanship needs work. So I put this wig on for y'all. She's getting taken off. Actually, let me just do that now. Allie Pearl, do you see what you've made me do? Do you see what you've made me do? Just snatch her off. Whatever, Allie Pearl. $279, Allie Pearl. Just taking it off. So yeah, you can do it. You can turn it into something if you already got this. It's shedding like a dead dog on you. You can do something with it and turn it into something cute. But just let it be known that you ain't gonna get a whole lot of life out of it. So I'm already prepped and ready to go for something that's gonna work for me. Y'all have a good one. Just wanted to update you and let you guys know. No, it ain't getting no better. So yeah, you rate. Really? What is this, a hotel, Airbnb? Like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I will have more honest reviews just like this. If it don't work, we just snatch it off. Like, it don't work, snatch it off. So you guys stay tuned to my next upload. It will be very soon. I don't know if it is going to be nails or hair, but we'll work it out. Maybe we'll do a styling video again or something like that. But either way, thanks for checking me out. Be blessed, take care of yourselves, and avoid hair that sheds like a cheap synthetic wig. Or a dog wearing a cheap. This sheds like a dog wearing a cheap synthetic wig. There we go. Snatch it off.